Good morning, Britt. Denver Public Works says those main roads with the yellow marks is how they identify those. Those are their top priorities. They had full force out today. This road, Sherman, doesn't look too terrible at this point in time, but look at the glare that we're seeing off the roadway. This is making it really slick and tough to get around definitely this morning. Even more difficult to get around this morning is shoveling your car out. A lot of business closures and school closures in place, but if you do allow for some extra time, take a look at this tree branch. This is also adding some hazards out there. Denver Public Works says that if you're going to clear these tree branches with a broom, make sure they're free and clear of all utility lines right now, because that could spring back up and cause some serious problems. But look at all these cars that are blocked in. I guarantee you, if you go into the office, a lot of people are not going to be there today. We've got another tree branch just behind photographer Eddie Castro over here that's blocking in another vehicle. So these trees are really under quite a bit of pressure right now. And a lot of these roads are not clear. This is actually looking good compared to what we're seeing around the metro area and even outside. A lot of our coworkers this morning saying they're having a difficult time getting out of their houses. You can see over here, this driveway is a prime example of that. Nice crunchy, icy snow over here, making it pretty difficult to get around with some of those colder temperatures too. It's going to be an icy commute for a lot of us, but we're going to keep an eye on these road conditions. Live in Denver, Jamie Leary, CBS 4 Morning News.
Jamie, thank you.